gonna accelerate a little bit. Yes, okay. Oh, this is the other train. Wow, it's coming. We're going fast. I think we're reaching the station. Yeah. Reaching the station. Okay, I cannot hear anything. Speeding up. And then we're slowing down. We're going to turn. Oh, you're just turning a little bit. Now starting to slow down. Yeah, we are. I think we are reaching the station right now. Yeah, you can see. Okay, so we covered by the tree. We're not gonna turn. We're not gonna turn. By the way, I want to see the coach. There it is, the coach. The coach is turning. The coach is turning. We're just slowing down, and we can see the highway. Wow, there's a traffic jam. Wow, look at that. We're not still turning. Dude, I don't know how are you still. Okay, well, I don't know how we're still turning. And the traffic is hurrying away. Dude, we are now still turning. You know it's gonna disappear again. You know, turning again. I don't think we have. You're just slowing down for yourself. I don't see the station. I think it's far away. Oh, okay, that's the station. No, so you're speeding up. It takes a long time. Look at the acceleration. Acceleration. That's a nice acceleration right here. We're going to reach the station. Persero. I think we are reaching it. Yeah, I think we are reaching it. But the station after the train. Another LRT. How many? It's like 5. We just saw 5 of them. I think. Yeah, we just. Oh, now we're reaching the station. I want to. It's literally automatic. I mean.
Kereta akan tiba di Kuningan. Itu di sebelah kanan Anda temukan. We are approaching Kuningan. The doors on the right side will open.
Same thing again. We're just gonna slow down. I gotta make my way slow down. Slowing down, slowing down, slowing down. Here it is. Wow. You know, I'm slowing down. We just can see the other direction. Yeah, I'm really going to the driver's seat because I don't want to drive. Slow down.
Pintu akan dibuka. Hati-hati pada celah peron. Doors are opening. Please mind the platform gate.